Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a armrest slip cover on TEMU website for extremely cheap. So let's get started. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here we can just open TEMU. So at the search button I will directly search for armrest slipcover. Okay, so here we can see armrest slipcover. So I will just go with this. This will cost you $2.48. Okay, so here we can see it's come with a texture and it have a waterproof covering. Okay, here we can see the material is good, made of polyester and synthetic fiber. So by scroll down we can see some reviews also. So reviews is good, a 4.7, and if you scroll down you can see the detail. So it's a machine wash, it's very good, and it is suitable for every chair, every office chair, and very good. So to buy you have to click on add to cart, then click on the buy button and then follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy armrest slip cover from TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.